All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to day 3 of the Trading Academy. In today's episode, we're just going to be talking about, things to avoid really quick. I wanted to put this in here, man, because I don't want any of you guys going down the wrong path like I did, and thinking that you have to do, you have to trade a certain way, you have to have certain things on your chart in order to succeed. I want to make sure that you guys avoid these mistakes early on, so that way you guys aren't like going down the wrong path. That way you guys aren't like hopping from this academy and doing like something else because you think or you seen somebody else do something, you know, something good with that. Listen, guys, I'm gonna just tell you, I'm gonna tell you guys something straight up. Okay. This shit works. Okay. The shit that I'm going to teach you in this academy works. All right. It's up to you. Okay. Listen, it's up to you to get your ass on these charts, study these candlesticks, right? There's different ways, there's different things with candlesticks. Like there's candlestick patterns and stuff like that. But you guys do not need to even know that, bro. You guys don't need to know that. That's why I want to make this video. That's why I wanted this video next, because I want you guys to avoid mistakes that I made early on, thinking that I needed to know all these candlestick patterns, the fucking morning star, the hangman. Like, you guys do not need to know the candlestick patterns. They're irrelevant to what I'm about to teach you guys in this academy. Okay. Candlestick patterns and pattern trading do not mean shit. They make no sense. Okay. And that's like something that, candlestick. Well, I'll show you guys what I mean, right? Like candlestick patterns, like this is the shit I was studying when I first started getting into trading. Like this stuff right here, this was the stuff that I was, researching and trying to understand. And listen, guys, there's like this stuff does hold a little bit of weight to it, but like you don't need to know this shit. Like you don't need to know these little patterns, right? You have one candle patterns, you have two candle patterns, you have 3+ candle patterns, like the morning star. Like you have all these like weird little names for them, right? You got the shooting star, you got the spinning tops. Like, yeah, like it works for some people, but the way I'm gonna, like, the things I'm gonna teach you guys just make the most sense for price action, and it's the best path to profitability in the fastest and quickest way. Okay, I like the way I'm gonna teach you guys, and the stuff I'm gonna teach you guys is the best way to do it. Like, I don't want you guys going down this path right here. Okay. Although it does work for some people, it's not going to work for the majority of people. Okay. What works for the majority of the people is the shit that I use. I've seen it firsthand, bro. I've seen thousands and thousands and thousands of people, if not hundreds of thousands of people, work, like succeed with the stuff that I'm going to teach you guys. Okay. Like these concepts really do work. All right. But you guys don't need to know this. Like, it's funny, like the shooting star is just a liquidity sweep. Like it's just basically what it is. But you guys don't need to know this, because if you guys start studying this shit right here, you guys are gonna be like, dude, you're gonna have analysis paralysis, is what I call it. You're gonna be stuck sitting there. Oh, is this a shooting star? Oh, is this a hanging man? Is this a gravestone doji? Like, dude, like this stuff, like sometimes you'll get stuff that looks similar to like a shooting star, and you don't know which one it is. You don't know if it's a gravestone, you don't know if it's a shooting star. It's stupid, bro. Pattern, I don't want you guys to go down the path of pattern trading. Okay, like look at this. Like, dude, I can give you a logical explanation of why price moved up right here. Okay, but I'm not going to do that, because I know some people that are probably watching this academy are very new to trading. They're just getting into trading. Maybe they want to fucking buy these candlestick pattern books. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. Don't, just please don't. Do not go down the pattern trading route like I did. I wasted 2 years. I burned a lot of money doing it. Please don't do it. Okay, I'm trying to get you guys early on. That way, like, I wanted to include this video just so that way you guys don't go down this path and fuck up everything that you guys learn here. Okay, just don't. You might see somebody on social media doing well with pattern trading or whatever. Kudos to them. It's probably not going to work for you. I'm telling you guys, the things I'm going to teach you is going to be the most likely outcome for success. Okay, in the smallest time possible, bro, in the quickest time possible. All right, I'm telling you guys, this stuff that I'm going to teach you is going to make a lot of sense, and it's probably the most logical way of explaining why the markets move, okay, like they do. All right. So like another thing too, whenever I was getting into trading was like RSI indicator and MACD, right? Like MACD. Like when I was getting into trading, right? I really thought that we needed to have this. Like I really thought this was the holy grail. Like I thought when I put the RSI and it got over 75, like it was overbought, like you would sell it when it peaked over this line. Like I just want to slap myself for thinking that, bro. Like it's not that easy. Indicators like this are lagging indicators, okay? The only indicators, meaning like these things, this is what it is, indicators, they put it on your chart and they give you other data. Um the only indicators I'd advocate for are just ones that, are going to align with the stuff that I'm going to teach you. And I'll show you guys what indicators I'm talking about later on in the academy, but like stuff like this, I really thought this was the holy grail, right? When the MACD started curving up, like you were already late to the boat, bro. Like sometimes this thing would curve up and then it curved down way more, and it was like, whoa, what the fuck, right? I used to put a lot of emphasis on these indicators because I thought this was what I needed to be profitable. I thought this was the cheat code. They are good for confluences in like some markets like crypto, but like you're not going to need any indicators, bro. You're not going to need the volume stuff. You're not going to need this, the MACD. You're not going to need the RSI. You're not going to need any of this shit, bro. I'm telling you right now, like you're not going to need any of this stuff. We are just going to be working with naked charts like this, right? This is what I want you guys to focus on, just a naked, beautiful chart like this and price action, right? In the next video, we're going to be going over market structure, more on that in the next video, but I just want you guys to focus on a very clean chart like this. No indicators, just very clean. It might look very confusing to you right now, but it's not going to in a month. Okay. I promise you, it's not going to in a month. We're going to be taking our time slow, and I'm going to be showing you guys basic market structure. So that way you guys are coming in here and you'll be like, oh, okay. Okay, price is moving this way. Okay, we're ranging. Okay, so this is higher highs, higher lows. So we're bullish, bearish. Okay, bullish means that we're going up. Bearish means that we're going down. Okay, but like this stuff right here, it's all of a sod right here, dude. You don't want to get into this. You don't want to go down the wrong route, which is why I'm making this academy. You guys do not. Trust me, dude, I burned a lot of time doing this shit. I'm sure a lot of others burned a lot of time and money, going down this path right here. Just don't. Okay, don't. Like this shit is dumb. In my opinion, it's just, it works for some people, but for me it never worked. And for thousands of others, it never worked. It's just a lagging indicator. It's not. Price action is king, bro. Clean price action like this, when you can study price action like this and you know where price is going to go, why it most likely is going to move to where it needs to move, you'll be a lot more, you'll be better off. Okay, let's just leave it at that. You'll be way better off. All right, you'll know, like when you see a candle like this, like you'll know where it's going to go. The things I'm going to teach you guys in this academy, you'll know. Like when you see a candle like this form and another candle like this form, you'll know where this thing's going to go. Trust me. All right. You won't need some fucking MACD indicator, RSI curving up, overbought, over. You're not going to need any of that, guys. All right. I want you guys to avoid that mistake early on. I wish I had somebody telling me that earlier whenever I started, but I didn't. I had to learn it the hard way. And there was a point where I was like, dude, why the fuck am I just using this? Like this is going to tell you, right? Price action is going to tell you whether or not it's ready to reverse using other things instead of indicators like this, instead of lagging indicators. Okay. Like, look at this, dude. Like, I could tell you why it reversed right here. Just looking at this little picture right here, I can tell you why. But again, we're taking our time slow. Okay. We're taking our time. We're going slow with this. So I promise you guys are going to know why price is moving the way it's moving. All right. The way I'm going to explain things is I hope it's going to be super simple and simplified down to a point where somebody that's new to trading can grasp it and can move forward with it. Okay. Another mistake and another thing I want you guys to avoid, one more thing, is I just want to talk to you like my homeboy. Just get off social media, bro. Don't follow too many traders. Honestly, if you're just watching this academy, bro, just follow me. I don't really post a lot of flashy shit, like shameless plug, but like I don't really post a bunch of flashy shit. A lot of other people out there, like a lot of, especially in the trading industry, will post flashy shit, and you're gonna feel like, yes, it's good for motivation. It is. It's good for inspiration and motivation, but you're gonna feel, you might get caught in the fact that you might be comparing yourself to somebody out there that may be in the same journey as you, or that may be way ahead of you. You're going to be comparing your numbers to them. You're going to be comparing your lifestyle to them. As a trader, bro, just hop off of social media. Trust me. Just trust me. Trust. Or just try to avoid social media, or just not try to follow flashy traders. Okay. Because you're going to fall into the pit. You might not even notice it, where you're like, fuck, I want to make that much money. And then you're trying to rush the process. Okay, don't do that. All right. Just avoid those mistakes early on, man. Stick to this academy and you're going to be good. All right. You're going to be fucking set. You're going to be straight. All right. You might even be a better trader than me, to be honest, after this academy. Dead ass. Like I want to see my students surpass me. All right. I want to see them make way more money than me, have way better executions than me. And that's what I'm aiming for in this academy. All right. This academy is going to be very long. It's going to be very in depth a little bit later on. Now we're just going over the basic, super basic shit, building your foundation. So yeah, these are some of the mistakes that I wanted to just cover, so you guys could just avoid and not go down the path of this, of the pattern trading and the candlestick patterns and all this stupid garbage, the indicators. Just avoid it. Just keep a clean price action chart like this, just very clean. Don't go into here and start adding a bunch of shit. Just come into here and look at price action for what it is. Okay. That's the best way to view this market, I promise you. All right. So, catch you guys in the next video. Just wanted to make this video and put this out there for you guys that are just starting, getting into trading in 2024. Hope you guys are enjoying the academy so far. Hope I've been very informative and have been, breaking down things pretty easy for you guys to understand. If not, let me know. Comment, man. Don't be scared to comment and let me know. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll answer them in the next video, right? Because each video is going to be uploaded day after day. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments of whatever video. I read through all the comments. So if I see a question that's, pretty repetitive with a lot of different people, I'll go ahead and cover it in a video. So let me know, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it. As always, love you guys. Appreciate you guys. If you guys, want to keep up with me, follow me on socials. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.